Alright, so that Carrier base model is the only one running, and it's at a park office in the same place where I filmed that 2002 510 Rheem. I couldn't go on these because the store's locked right here. And right there's 3 Carrier Gemini split system units. Carrier's the only one running, and when you look on the other side, you can see some of one of them right there. I wish I want to get these units in there, but can't get close to them. There are 3 Carrier Gemini split systems. There's a Carrier base model running. Carrier doesn't have a label on that, but yeah, there are 4 Carrier air conditioners at the park office in one of my neighborhood. Over and out.